Stop by and take a look at the 2026 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.